Hi, welcome back to English 111 Online. This week we're going to have some more practice with topic sentences, and we're going to have start looking at how to create an essay. We're not going to write an essay this week, but we are going to write a couple of paragraphs, and then you're going to choose one of those paragraphs to turn in so that I can see how you did with making a claim as a topic sentence and adding supporting details from the articles that I'm going to have you read. Okay, so one of the things that I've included on this week is how to set up a Google Doc. It's a little video, short video, where I walk you completely through how to set up the Google Doc. If you already know how to do that, then great. But if you don't know, then this is the time to learn it. And there's the video for it. This is a slideshow presentation, writing an essay. So in this slideshow presentation, you will learn how to write an essay. It'll give you information about thesis statement and topic sentences for paragraphs, and an introduction paragraph and a concluding paragraph. So pay particular attention to this. And I think this is one of the slideshows that will help you with one of the homework assignments. Then we have this sample MLA formatted essay that you can actually see, and you can see the everything that you need to see here. 1-inch margins all around, which your Google Doc will default to 1-inch margins, and then you'll change it to Times New Roman, 12-point font, and you'll change it to double line spacing, so you can see what the essay would actually look like, and it goes on and on to show you how it looks, including having a works cited page, which you will need for your paragraph assignment for this week. Okay. Reading assignment. I gave you this as a reading assignment for last week, but in case you didn't get to it, I put it up here again. This is Jamaica Kincaid, Reading Girl. I'd click on that and let her read while you follow along with the words on this document that I included here. It's not in our book anymore, but I made a copy of it so you could see it. And then the other reading assignment continues for this week, how to do gender. And then there is another sample essay, so you can keep looking at them. This is something that I wrote, and it's an essay about Jamaica Kincaid's Girl. Now, we're not going to do an essay about Jamaica Kincaid's Girl, but it will show you again what it looks like, how the thesis statement operates. I've marked it, and I've put the topic sentences and the thesis statement in like that and highlighted them. You won't actually do that when you start writing, but if you would like to, you certainly can do that. We're not writing an essay again. We're not writing an essay this week. We're writing 2 paragraphs. All right, here are the 2 assignment sheets that you'll be writing for this week. This one is explaining the main idea of the article, and it is waiting for it to load a little bit. So you read it, and then you explain what it's about. You'll have a topic sentence that will state what it's about, and then you'll have, I'm not sure why it's not loading, but anyway, you'll have a topic sentence and then supporting details from that. So you should be able to open that, and it's not opening on my computer, but still. All right, so there's that. And then the other one here is stating a claim pro-con. Who is responsible for the situation in Afghanistan right now? Is it something that is President Biden's fault, or is it something that was President George W. Bush's fault? And they have two sides. You're going to pick a side, and you're going to make a claim with that it is either President Biden or it is President Bush, and then you're going to support it with details from the article. And again, I'm not sure why mine's not opening up, but I trust that you'll be able to open those and do fine. The complete instructions for how to do them are in the document, so pay attention to this. Now, when you get ready to upload your paragraph for a grade, down here under graded assignment, here's the supporting a claim. And so after you do that, then pick one of them. You don't have to turn in both of them. Just pick one that you feel like was your best effort, and turn it in on this Turn It In link here. The other thing is to do this audience, purpose, tone, and essay essentials test. It gives you live links to the different slideshow presentations that you'll need to go back and look at to refresh you. And you can keep those slideshow presentations open, and you can look up the answers as you go. There's no time limit on the quiz. You can take it as many times as you want. But that's supporting a claim, the Turn It In. Every time you see that little page with the whooshing arrow there, that is a Turn It In link. And then everything up here would be the quiz. Then this, every time you see that little sheet of paper with a pencil on it, this is a journal. And all right, well, I think I've logged out of Moodle again. This happened to me before, but anyway, you'll see the directions in the journal. There are 2 questions in there for you to answer, and then when you're answering those, I guess I could just put my lovely face up here to talk to you. When you're doing those, doing the journal, there are 2 questions. Just answer one of them. I'm still looking for topic sentences for those with supporting details. So a nice little paragraph. It can be very short. Don't ask me, does it have to be 10 to 12 sentences? No, but just enough to let me know that you actually have thought about, and they were both related to girl. So next week I'll have another reading assignment for you to do, and that's what that reading assignment is what we're going to actually start writing our core project 1 on. So be sure to be here next week. And if there's anything that you have questions about or you need assistance on, as always, please let me know, and I will be glad to help you, give you the extra help you need. All right, well, that's all I have for this week. I'm sorry those documents wouldn't open. I had this is actually the second time I've recorded this, because the first time the documents went out way sooner than they did this time. I guess Nash Community College is having a problem with its Moodle today. But anyway, if there's anything that you don't understand or need extra help with, please ask me, and I will be glad to help you. So until I see you next time, have a great one.